Today's presentation is on my Waterfall lidded bowl. It is the first in a series of 4 classes about learning to turn lidded containers. And here is the schedule of how it's going to go. This first session today, I'm going to be making the bowl and lid out of a burl. And I'll talk about some other options as well. The finial and pedestal will be on session 2, and that will be finials and pedestals for more or less for all 3 of the lidded containers that I'm doing in the series. Session 3 will be a lidded chalice like this one with a natural top. So a deeper form and a taller stem. So the stem will be covered in session 2. And then the session number 4 will be a lidded hollow vessel of a slightly more challenging shape than what I did in my last hollowing class. This is going to be take it to a little bit different level with the hollowing. And this piece has a separate collar made of another piece of wood. The finial and lid on this one are a solid piece, whereas on the other pieces, the finial is a separate piece from the actual lid body, like this one too.